YouTube, how you doing? Today we're going to cover Big Black Car by Gregory Alan Isakov. This is going to be the live version he does. I don't know if there's any hardcore fans out there that can tell the different album versions picked. The live version, he does this awesome strumming version of it, which is one of my favourite songs to play of his. So I'm going to do a tutorial on it because there aren't any. Let me know your favourite version. Do you prefer the picking or do you prefer the strumming? So I'll go through it and then I'll run through, break down how it's played. This is the intro bit. So what he does here, he's got A minor, cap on 3rd fret by the way, standard tuning. So you've got A minor, and for that whole riff it's just down, up, that's the strumming. So it'll be, and what he does, sometimes he mutes it, but if you learn it, try and do that at the end once you've got the whole riff sorted. So it'll be, and then on that first down strum, you're going to take your middle finger off, strum down, hammer it on. Down, hammer on, up, down. And then we're going to go, use our pinky, and we're going to go onto the 3rd fret, off, 3rd fret on the 6th string, A open, 3rd fret on the A again. Then back to the beginning with the hammer on. Great little intro. It's not just the intro, should I say, actually. He does that in between verses as well. But I'll link to a video on YouTube of him playing it so you can work it out, so you can see what he plays where. Then he goes into the verse, and the verse for this, the chords are A minor, G7, G stroke C, C. So what he does is he's got A minor, and then he just moves his 2nd and 3rd finger up to the 2nd fret on the 5th string and the 3rd fret on the 6th string. Then he goes to F major 7, C stroke G, and then back to that G stroke C again. So we'll go. Again, the strumming pattern's all up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. 2 on the A minor, 2 on the G7. 2 on the F major 7, and then he does 1 on the C and 1 on the G stroke C. Remember that hammer on, it's like he arrives late on it, on the A minor. So I'll put the intro and I'll put the verse together. Awesome, isn't it? It's great. What's next? He's got 2 more riffs. Got the chorus riff, which so we start off with the G. I've seen him play it. I like to play it with just the 3rd fret on the E strings, but he plays it with their 2nd finger on the 2nd fret of the 5th string. Then he goes to a C stroke G, so he plays that G for a whole bar. The rest of the chords have a half a bar each. He's got G stroke C, back to G, A minor to E minor, then he goes to C string G, to G, A minor, and to D7. And he just holds that note. So I'll play that. Back to that riff. I love that riff. Then it's got the other bit where he kind of mutes it as well. So we've got G, goes to F major 7 to C, stroke G, and back to the C. And on that time round, he then uses like an A minor 7, so it's like your first finger on the first fret of the second string, and your second finger on the second fret of the fourth string. So it kind of makes it sort of like a C, almost like a C. So we'll go. So we've got that G, 1, every time you strummed it down, it's going to kind of mute it afterwards. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 2. Then he hangs on that last bit for about 3 or 4 bars, depending on which version you've heard. It goes back into the Those are all the riffs. Such good fun. It's such a fun song to play. Get learning it. Just you'll never forget it. It's one of those that you just always remember. It's one of those songs now that when I pick up the guitar, I just play it. Everyone's got those couple of songs they play when they pick the guitar up. I've got that one and the stable song actually. Right, but I hope you enjoyed the lesson. If you've got any feedback or any comments, or any requests even, if you want to see me do some other stuff, let me know what your favourite version is, picking version or the live version. Mine's this one. And enjoy the guitar and subscribe, remember.